Yon, kamusta kayo lahat mga karayuma? Kamusta na kayo? Ayan, YOLO po ito. Magbibigay po tayo reaksyon. Dito po, kay Kawatano. Hindi po makamove on ang pusang ina.
Aray ko.
Pakinggan natin.
I appeal to my colleagues. There are a lot of accommodations, there are a lot of things, may bigayan talaga dito. May botohan, may caucus, may in-camera discussions. Pero pagdating kung sino magpre-preside na malinaw sa konstitusyon, wag na natin pag-awayan yon. The prosecution is here. I think they're ready. The defense is here. I think they're ready. Let's give the Filipino people, a fair...
Oh, gusto niya kasi siya yung magpe-preside. Alam nyo, hindi yan po mahirap eh. Pag hindi ka naka-move on, alam mo yon, hindi ka pa naka-move on, may hate ka pa sa puso.
Aray ko.
Yan. Yan ang yung problema eh. Di ba? Hindi ka pa maka-move on. Pagtapos mong gaguhin ang Senado, hindi mo pasukan, papasok ko lang pang manggulo, tibay mo kayan.
Aray ko.
Di ba? Tibay mo kayan, di ba?
trial. Hindi po fair kung pipiliin natin kung sino ang kahit sinong magaling, kahit ako piliin nyo. Hindi ko po tatanggapin yon kasi
Di tatanggapin.
Aray ko.
Mukha mo, ha? Mukha mo square.
Aray ko.
mali po yon. Hindi po yun ang nakalagay sa konstitusyon natin. Very, very clear po sa records ng Constitutional Commission. Walang makaka-amend doon. We are not given any latitude on this matter, Mr. President. I appeal to you, Mr. President. This is your Senate presidency.
Thank you. Thank you for that, those views to the good gentleman from Taguig. Kanina po, nabanggit ko ho na in my manifestation as the Senate President, that resolution number 39 or the rules of procedure on impeachment trial as amended shall continue to apply. So in other words po, rin-recognize ho nitong impeachment court yung amendments na ginawa ho natin noong June 3. At
Alam nyo, wala namang problema kung si Sherwin Gatchalian ang mag-preside. Wala po problema dyan, mga kababayan. Ang inaano lang po, talaga, para dire-diretso na po na maayos. Dire-diretso na po, wala nang problema, wala nang magtatanong-tanong pa sa mga legal, diretso na natin. Yun po ang inaasikaso eh. Para wala na pong problema pa. Kaso, si Cayetano hindi maka-move on na gusto niya, siya pa rin yata yung Senate President, bitter.
Aray ko.
Bitter yan.
kagaya ho ng nasabi ko ho kanina, the humble view of this presiding officer is if there are any discussion on resolution number 43 as adopted as resolution number 40, it should be done in plenary. Because doon ho natin in-amend doon ho natin in-adopt yung impeachment rules of impeachment, doon rin ho natin inamendahan.
Oh,
At nabigyan naman po ng oportunidad ang bawat isa para magkomento, magbigay ng pahayag, magbigay ho ng kanilang legal opinion. Pero at that time, wala naman po ang nag-object at inadapt po ng Senado in a legislative body.
yan. Papasok ka kasi. Hindi yung pala absent ka. Di ba parang sa school? Di ba? Wala kang kaalam-alam eh. Tapos pag ikaw pa galit. Pala absent ka.
Aray ko.
Pasok ka kasi. Huwag kang pala absent. Ha? Kawatano.
So the position of the chair, if there are any comments, any legal opinions, any issues, it should be done through the legislative body of the Senate.
Mr. President, there's no conflict, Mr. President. With your permission, Mr. President. There's no conflict. If you want to discuss it, in 3 weeks may session na tayo. So all we have to do today is follow the Constitution. You preside. Then,
Alam mo, dapat nandidiri ka pag sinasabi mong follow the Constitution. Di ba? Nandidiri ka dapat kasi ang dami nyong lumabag sa konstitusyon. Ang dami. Basta maipagtanggol lang yung Duterte, aba, wala nang konstitusyon.
Aray ko.
Diba? Follow the Constitution, paluin ka ng taong bayan.
Aray ko.
Dating ng plenary, then we can debate whether we are allowed to amend the Constitution or not. Because, Mr. President, that's why I premise this not as a parliamentary inquiry or as a point of information or whatever we may call it. That's why it's a point of order. A higher point of order than the point of order in the rules is a point of order in the Constitution. The Constitution says it is the Senate President who will preside. So are we saying now, Mr. President, that the rules can amend the Constitution? Is that the ruling of the chair?
Before I make my final ruling on this matter, may I recognize the gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Thank you, Senate President. Mr. President, with all due respect, the Constitution does not provide that the Senate President must preside
Oh!
in cases of impeachment trial.
Oh!
What the Constitution provides is that when the President is undergoing impeachment, going through the trial, is being tried, this Chief Justice must preside.
Oh. Kaya
Nowhere-
malinaw pag presidente, Chief Justice. Kapag hindi naman presidente, wala naman daw pong nakalagay sa konstitusyon. Ew.
Aray ko.
Ew.
Where in the Constitution and the provisions on public accountability and impeachment does it say that the Senate President must preside when the Vice President is under trial or any other impeachable officer? And precisely because of this, and precisely because the Constitution likewise allows Congress, not the impeachment court, Congress, to promulgate its own rules, which is what the Senate did in June 3. We proposed amendments to the rules under our rulemaking power,
Tama.
which, by the way, was subsequently ratified when we convened in a special session on June 17. The June 3 journal was ratified unanimously on June 17 when we had our special session. And in the June 3 minutes and the journal, precisely we approved the amendments to the rules. This was further ratified on June 17. Therefore, it is considered regular. The presumption of regularity now comes into force. But having said that, Mr. President, the good gentleman from Taguig has brought this matter before the Supreme Court.
Oh.
And we agree with the point earlier raised by the Senate President.
Oh.
This matter should be either discussed in the Senate in plenary as a legislative body, or if he has questions which may in fact turn out to be valid, he has brought this matter before the Supreme Court.
Oh.
And therefore, this impeachment court is not the venue for this
Tama.
debate, Mr. President. If there is anyone who is out of order, with due respect, I think the proper process is the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. There is no temporary restraining order. There was a request for a status quo ante order. It was not granted. And therefore, the presumption of regularity behooves us as an impeachment court to proceed. And finally, Mr. President, allow me to reiterate, the point of order is improper.
Yes.
In fact, the debate on this matter here in the impeachment court is out of order, Mr. President.
Oh, yan ha. Yan po mga kababayan, mga karayuma ha. Yan po mga karayuma. Sinupalpal ni Kiko Pangilinan si Cayetano na hindi ka dapat nagaganyan-ganyan dyan.
Aray ko.
Hindi ka dapat nagaganyan-ganyan dyan. Improper yan. Sino po basto? Si Cayetano. Hindi dapat nagaganyan-ganyan dyan. Dahil dyan po ay impeachment court, hindi po yan regular session o plenaryo. Korte po ngayon yan. Yung mga inanaing mo, Cayetano, yung mga inanaing mo na bakit ka natanggal, sarilinin mo.
Aray ko.
O yan po, supalpal Ayan po ang ating reaksyon dyan. Supalpal si Cayetano kay Kiko Pangilinan.